The other story that we're getting from down south is in Chennai. There has been an incident of chain snatching that has been reported and caught on camera as well. This happened when there was a young woman who was targeted early morning in Chennai. She was on her way to the market. The incident went viral on social media after it was caught on CCTV. The footage, as you can see, shows how this man comes from behind and snatches the chain of this woman who's carrying these bags and runs away. This is happening in a busy market area. There were onlookers who then tried to chase this man. There was also another man on the bike behind this goon, but we do not know whether he was his accomplice. The victim who lost his chain and a bystander ran behind the thief, but they failed to retrieve the chain. The cops have registered an FIR investigating the case. More and more incidents of chain snatching have been recorded in the city. Akshaya is joining me on the story. Akshaya, grave security concerns for the citizens.
Yes, Devina, it is such a shocking incident because it is a crowded street and it is generally a very, there were bystanders, and it was shocking that a person actually had the guts to do that, and that too in a crowded area. And there's a lot of shockwaves that are going around the city because now the question is how safe is the city. The women have been seeing continuous attacks along in various ways, and now a chain snatching incident like this, and if she could have even fallen down and could have died at that situation, is something that is very shocking here. And there were people going around, nobody really stopped. That is again shocking because after Swati murder case, we've been seeing that the intolerance level is also increasing, where people are coming out and speaking. But in this episode, again, though the man snatches it and moves, the bystanders just remain bystanders, Devina.
Okay, Akshaya, well, now has the goon been identified? Because there was another bystander who gave a chase, ran after this man. But even after the FIR has been registered, many a times it comes into play is that these are gangs which are operating with some sort of protection even from the cops. So is that matter being investigated?
Well, yeah, there have been reported cases of goons coming in and merging people, and there have been a series of cases in the last couple of months. And now the question remains as to how fast will the police officials act on this case. Though there's been one person who's come out and spoken, the evidences that the police have is still minimal. The CCTV footages, yes, it is a helping source, but it still needs to be seen how far and how fast the police officials will work on the case and nab the culprit.
Akshaya, thanks for joining me. We're also getting another news.